Hello, hello. Welcome to your reading lesson for Wednesday, April 29th. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today for reading, we're not reading, right? We already finished the book for The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Today is our last lesson with The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Tomorrow we will continue with our normal reading book with lesson 114 and 115 on Friday, all right? And today, like I said, no reading, no vocab. Today is your assessment. You have an assessment number 2 that's on chapters 10 through 17. You should not be using your book. You should not be using any notes. All right, you should not be using any workbook pages that you might have. This is kind of like a quiz, right? It's like a comprehension assessment to see how well you paid attention, how well you understood the story, things like that. All right. So let's talk a little bit more about the directions for this page. Now, here's your Easter egg. I want you to write your name in the lion's paw on that front side of this page. The page looks like this. All right, it's front and back. I'm going to consider this the front because we're going to go over it first. So you're going to put your name in the little lion's paw off to the right-hand top corner there. Let's talk a little bit about the directions. Number the events in order, in the order that they happen in the novel. So what happens, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. What happens first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh? You got to put them in order, in story order, okay? Down below, write a description of Edmund before and after he meets Aslan. And your description show how meeting Aslan changes him. So remember, Edmund is very much a different person in the beginning of the book versus the end of the book. How does his character change? Describe him in the beginning of the book with complete sentences. Describe him in the end of the book with complete sentences. All right, remember in the beginning book, he hasn't met Aslan yet. In the end, he has. And how does that change him? All right. Let's look at the back, guys. Oh, and one more time, complete sentences for both of those answers, okay? All right. So on the back it says complete each sentence to show how the novel is like a Christian's experience in real life. This is really going to play off of your workbook page yesterday. Remember, we talked a lot about what happened in the novel and how we can compare that to our Christian real lives, okay? So look at number 1. Edmund is a traitor and needs Aslan to die in his place. This reminds us that what do we need to be able to be saved? All right, there's your only hint. So you're going to do that for 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then down below, you are going to put the vocabulary words. There's only 4. Now remember, in this book, in every single chapter, we had at least 5 or 6 vocabulary words. So for 10 through 17, that's 7 chapters, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, that's 8 chapters. 8 chapters times maybe 6 vocabulary words per chapter. That's like 48 vocabulary words. So they only picked 4 for you to have to do. So you should be thankful about that, right? So your 4 that you can use are cordial, liberated, muzzle, and traitor. And you're going to put them into the sentences that makes the most sense with those words. Okay? All right, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget you do have a reading log tonight for your homework. But other than that, that's it for reading. Nice and quick. Nice and quick end to our Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe series. All right? All right, guys, I will see you soon in another video probably. If not, I'll see you tomorrow.